Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, we're going through the armor of God here. We talked about the belt of truth yesterday. Today we're talking about the breastplate of righteousness, and it's entitled "Put on the Breastplate of Righteousness." And it's taken from Ephesians 6:14. So let me read here. Ephesians 6:14. It says this: "Stand firm then with the belt of truth buckled around your waist," okay, which we talked about yesterday, "and with the breastplate of righteousness in place." Okay, so I have breastplate of righteousness here. This is actually a life jacket. This is a life jacket I use when I go kayaking. This is my personal one, and a life jacket, it's only good if you're wearing it. Okay, so a lot of accidents. I just took a safe boating course here recently and found out there's many accidents that happen, and many of those accidents could be prevented. And some of them are, a lot of them are very, very close to shore when it happens. And of course, in the water, most of it's drowning. And the other thing is, too, a life jacket would have saved their lives. So if you just have the life jacket, good chance your life could be saved, but you have to have it on. What happens a lot of times is people have life jackets on their boats, and you don't have to wear the life jacket on the boat, but it needs to be on the boat and easily accessible. Well, what some people do is they make their boat all neat and tidy, and they put the life jackets in some hatch or someplace hidden away, and then when they need it, everyone's like, "Where's the life jacket at?" Everyone's trying to scramble to find the life jacket, and they can't find the life jacket because it's so hidden away. And they don't think they need it until it's too late. That's the way the breastplate of righteousness is. And a breastplate was used back in the Roman times. It was something to cover your chest and your vital organs. And it was a defensive weapon, okay? It wasn't offensive. No one ever died because they were wearing the breastplate, no one killed anybody with the breastplate. Okay, it's something to protect you. So I have a picture of one here. I don't know if you can see that. This is what it would look like in the Roman times, and it would be layered, and it was layered with leather and so forth. Maybe some metal in there, but mostly leather, and it was there to protect you. So if you got sword coming at you, arrows or whatever, that would help protect you. Okay, it didn't make you bulletproof necessarily, but it made it so you'd be protected. Today we have bulletproof vests, and we've talked about it before. When the SWAT team goes in, they want to be fully protected, and they don't want to be skimping and going, "Oh, you know what, the sheriff's office ran out of money, so you have a gun." But no bulletproof vest. You really don't need that. But you need the bulletproof vest. That saved a lot of lives. And so this breastplate here is to protect, and it is used to protect and hang things on it. I have a whistle here and stuff like that on it too. But the breastplate of righteousness is different. That's what God is calling us to put on. And it's a defensive weapon used to protect us from the schemes of the devil. Remember, we talked about the schemes of the devil. The devil doesn't fight fair, and he will tempt you, and he'll tempt you a lot of times when you're down. And so he'll say, different things in your head, and you can come back at it with the breastplate of righteousness. Okay, so if an example would be this. I'm not fooling around with anyone else. I'm faithful to my wife. So that's part of being righteous. I'm faithful to my wife. So when the devil comes and tempts me, and there's nothing for him to accuse me of in that area because I've been faithful to my wife, and there's nothing that will come against me in that thing because of my righteousness. Okay, and then also we all have sinned, but that righteousness comes from God. Okay, so ultimately, this breastplate, it came from God. I can't. The righteousness is not on my own. It's only from God. So God gave me this breastplate of righteousness to protect me from the devil and his schemes, and this righteousness will protect me from that. So hopefully that explains what this breastplate of righteousness is and why you need it. Thank you for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we talk about more of this armor of God. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.